Good morning, guys. So, as promised, here is the sweet Hawaiian roll that I was doing. I'm a little bit congested due to allergy problems. That's the reason why I sound this way, but I'm good. So, after adding this again to allow the yeast to be even more active in this is the final process. This took me over 4 hours. Yes, 4 hours. So here I am just using my rolling pin to roll this flat, and then I fold them. Remember now, guys, I'm not a professional. This is my first time trying to make these dinner rolls. So I am showing you how I use the rolling pin to roll this out, and then I fold them. I could have rolled them in like little doughs, like Jamaican style fried dumpling doughs, but I folded them. This is not really any official video. I won't be editing anything in it. I'll just do this and upload it to show you what the finished Hawaiian rolls came out to. This is a lot of hard work, but I love a challenge and I love to experiment. It gives me a great energy level to even push harder, and when you try like this, at some point it will become perfection. So as I go along and I sort of speed the video up a little. So here you can see that the dough has doubled based on when I flattened them. So I used a little olive oil, and I'll be adding them in a baking tray. I already lit my oven to 350 degrees. Then I combined an egg, which I'll be using egg wash to coat them to help to give them a little color, because I did not use any additives or preservatives to give any additional color. So once the dough starts to rise or it has doubled in size, then it means it's ready. And I got 12 from the 3 cups of flour that I used. So I'm about now ready to brush on my egg mixture, and I did not add any water to it. I just brushed some egg wash on, to bake these in my oven for at least, I would say, 15 to 20 minutes. It should not take long. I did not use any baking soda, any baking powder. The yeast is what I use to prepare this, and not baking powder or baking soda. Thank you again to June, Tamika, Blessed Girl, Sharice. I got it correct, yes. Jed Sheely. Thank you, guys. You stood up with me yesterday. I greatly appreciated the support. And I did say a word of prayer for you all last night and this morning. I hope if and when you see this video, may you be in good spirits. Thank you all for your continued support, for supporting my channel. Ready to go in the oven to bake. And then here they are once they finish baking. Listen, your girl did it and it came out really good. I also tasted them and they tasted really good. The only thing I would probably have added more was probably a little more sugar, but they were soft, tasted really, really good. And I will definitely try this again. Maybe when it gets hotter, I'll probably do a vlog on my channel The color and everything came out excellent. Again, thank you guys for sticking with me. This was a 4 hour worth of job. But at the end of the day, I'm thankful, I'm grateful. Experimenting is great. Tell yourself you can do everything through Christ that strengthens you. See you.